What was my pivot point to decide to get clarity on my offerings? Is that like when I decided I want to work with people one-on-one as a therapist? Or why did I choose human design? Or why did I choose 1 hour sessions? Or why did I choose the money that I ask for a session? Or why did I choose this app, this community? I don't know. How did I become clear on my offerings, and when and what made me do it? Is it like, when did I have the courage? I don't know. Maybe it's none of the above. Maybe it's like F, none of the above. All of the above. All right. Well, I don't know. The answer is, it's all been a long time coming, a long time cooking. And there wasn't one pivoting point. It was like it was a staircase of, oh, I'm gonna start offering human design, and then it was like through Instagram, and then it was like, oh, look at this, a new app, Insight Timer, I can do lives, offer through the lives. And then more confidence, as I did more clients, I began learning about people faster, recognizing what could be done a lot faster. I became more accurate with what I feel when I talk to people, and the guidance that I provide, when I provide after I feel and then give, became much more specific, much more pinpointed. So there wasn't any turning, I don't know. I don't think there was one turning point. It was like a long process,